This is Cody Gunner, once again.
Super Cub LP.
Yes, we know. It's my friend. Is a paintball bomb.
Drop module. About 12 paintballs in there.
What do you have to say about this?
Nothing.
Alright. Quinn Sharp, your host here. You may know. Cody just got this. He's already messed it up a little bit, but you know.
Take off.
Right into the sun, dude. Being a little feisty right now, as you can see, flying away. Seems to be quite a bit slower with all those paintballs. Alright, come by. Oh shit.
How'd it go?
Well, the paintballs didn't release. It just ended up in one big mess. Holy shit! Duh. So, how's
Look
your
at
airplane?
oh!
How's your airplane, huh?
Doing pretty good. I think they want to see the airplane, not me.
I don't think they want to watch this at all. So, folks, how you guys enjoying this? Have you exited the video yet? Because if you haven't, I don't know. You may as well, I don't know. I've had to take like 40 freaking videos today of this piece of shit.
I'll land it and then we'll stop.
Flagged.
Why? Alright. Here comes the airplane. Once again, still flying. Coming in for a landing. Oh, he's looking a little hot. He's coming in. Whoa. Yeah, not gonna happen, bro. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Can you stop saying that? I'm getting tired of that.
Shut up.
See if he could land it this time. Why don't you lower the speed some?
That's good.
That was a very good landing, sir. Sir, tell me. Was that the best landing you've ever had?
Best landing I've ever had.
Good.
I hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Quinn Sharp, your host. Owen Sharp. Just a guy. Beautiful, sunny Southern California. This is Beaumont. Those are the mountains.
Stop it, Quinn.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Bro, I